drone show was absolutely incredible. And then until you see it, you just don't know what it's going to look like. And it went up, and this whole place reacted to every element. And it was everything we hoped it would be. First time we've done something like this at Camp Randall Stadium, and we promoted it all week. The crowd stayed in their seats, and it was just like fireworks. There's an ooh, there's an ah, there's a triggered reaction that we want from